In this video, we're going to look at how to drag in a group of icons for social media, and then how we connect those to our social media accounts. So without further ado, let's have a look at what we've got. First of all, find the icon box for social media. Drag that across into the page wherever you want it. Again, you can put it anywhere you'd like. You can center it, you can right align, left align, change margins, all the normal stuff with spacer bars, etc. You might find that these go into the footer. So if you've got a footer on your website, which you'll have if you've got a premium website, then you can put it in the footer and maybe in a column in the footer. So you select by managing icons and turning on the icons you want to show. There's a whole selection of different icons. And then you find the URL for your particular maybe YouTube channel or Facebook profile, Facebook page profile, and you paste it into the box. And then you can reorder by moving the icons up and down. And then once all of the URLs are filled in with the different URL addresses for your social media, voila, you've got a block made. Now, unfortunately, you have to do this every time you install one of these, but what you could do is copy and paste that block, and that would retain the social media for that block.